Hello everyone, Marvin here from westchopper.com, and today we're going to take a look at the Air Victor 2-channel mini infrared remote control helicopter. This is $8 at westchopper.com. It comes in two color. It has the blue and the green, and it can fly up to 26 to 32 feet. That's pretty good for an $8 helicopter. That is pretty good. So yeah, let's unbox this thing. First up is the remote control. It has two controls, up and down, left, right. It has a power switch is there. This here is a power switch, and this is the charging port. This is where you plug in your helicopter to charge. This is where it takes the battery. It takes 4 AA batteries, and that's pretty much about the remote. Next up is the instruction manual. First thing is for ages 8 plus, for kids 8 years or older, and it has instructions on how to control. And what's next? We have here the unit. This one here is the blue one. It's about 4.5, 5 inch. It's pretty good, not bad. It's pretty light. Well, it's a helicopter, it should be light. So I have my battery sack here. I'll just throw in a couple of batteries in there. And set this thing up. Okay, now that we have the batteries in there, let's try and power this thing up. So power, there we go, we got power. That's the red indicator, tells you when the power is on. And I'm going to take this thing off the strap. So how do I get this out of here? Guess I gotta break this here. Oh, that's 2 staples. Just remove those. And remove the wire tie. And now we can remove the helicopter. That was one side. And there goes all the... Now let's see if the thing has power. There's a little switch. You have to flip it. Oh, you do have power. To have power. Let's move these out of the way. Sit this down here and try to. There we go. That's so fast. Okay, now after you had fun and you exaggerated your battery, This helicopter is one of the easiest to recharge. It's very simple. You take the helicopter and you stick it onto the charging port. That's all. With the face towards the sensor. So it has to face towards the sensor like this. Take it and just simply stuck it on there. And there you go. Charging. That indicates that it's charging. It has 2 indicator green lights. And just leave it on there for 30 minutes and you're ready to go again. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, you can get all these cool gadgets at westshopper.com for less than 10 bucks. Less than $10. It's a pretty cool gadgets for less than $10. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a great day.